Hello, this is Baran from Coerco. Today I'm here to talk to you about our new flatbed leach drains. So now with our septic tanks you can also buy either modular leach drains or flatbed leach drains, which come in two different versions depending on your soil type. You can use either the standard one or the SL version, which is sand and loam. The main difference with this sand and loam is only the number of layers you're using, so you're saving on a bit of cost there. Main benefits of the new flatbed leach drains is it does not require assembly. Another one is you will need much less excavation and you will need a smaller footprint for the system. Leach drains consist of three main products, being the distribution pipe, the drainage cells and the geo-fabric. Installation is quite simple. Once the base is compacted and levelled, you lay the distribution pipe and the drainage cells on each side. Then you lay the geo-fabric on top and you do the backfill. Determining the leach drain system, the leach drain design, we prepared a little tool that needs some inputs, and it will give you the footprint and the lengths, etc. If you have any questions about our new flatbed leach drains or the tool, feel free to contact the friendly Coerco staff. Thank you.